What if the very job that pays your bills today is secretly training you to replace it? Most people think becoming an entrepreneur means quitting their job, taking a massive risk, and going all in. But the smartest entrepreneurs transition strategically, not emotionally. If you want to move from employee to entrepreneur without burning bridges, draining your savings, or gambling your future, this video will show you how. Welcome to Business Training Media, your source for real-world professional skills that help you grow your career, build leadership capability, and create new income opportunities. Today we're breaking down exactly how to transition from employee to entrepreneur, the right way. Not hype, not generic advice, real strategy. We'll cover the mindset shift most employees miss, how to validate your business idea before quitting, financial runway planning, skill gaps you must close, building while employed without risking your job, and when you actually know it's time to leave. Let's get into it. Number 1, shift from task execution to value creation. As an employee, you're paid to execute. As an entrepreneur, you're paid to solve problems. Employees think, what tasks do I need to complete? Entrepreneurs think, what problem is expensive enough that someone will pay to fix it? Before you ever start a business, study customer pain points. Watch where companies overspend. Notice inefficiencies in your current industry. Identify where time, money, or trust is being lost. Your job is the best MBA you'll ever get, if you pay attention. Number 2, don't quit your job. Build proof. The biggest mistake future entrepreneurs make is quitting before validation. Validation means someone has paid you, not just liked your idea, not just encouraged you, paid you. Start small freelance nights and weekends. Offer consulting. Sell digital product. Test a service within your network. If strangers pay you consistently, you have signal. No revenue equals a hobby. Revenue equals a business. Number 3, build a 6 to 12 month financial runway. Entrepreneurship is volatile at the beginning. Before you leave your job, eliminate high-interest debt. Cut unnecessary expenses. Build 6 to 12 months of living expenses. Separate business and personal accounts early. Most businesses fail, not because the idea is bad, but because the founder runs out of cash before traction. Cash flow buys time. Time buys growth. Number 4, audit your skill. Assess skill gaps honestly. Being good at your job does not automatically mean you are ready to run a business. Entrepreneurs must develop sales skills, negotiation skills, marketing fundamentals, financial literacy, decision-making under uncertainty, and resilience. Employees are trained for structure. Entrepreneurs operate in ambiguity. Ask yourself, can I sell without feeling uncomfortable? Can I handle rejection weekly? Can I manage inconsistent income? If not, start building those skills now while you're still employed. Number 5, use your job as your launchpad. Your current job gives you industry knowledge, network, capital, credibility, and insight into customer behavior. Leverage it ethically and professionally. Do not compete directly in violation of agreements, use company data, or burn relationships. Do build strong professional relationships. Observe client pain points, study pricing models, and learn operational systems. Many entrepreneurs succeed because they learned what not to do from their employer. Number 6, start operating like an entrepreneur before you quit. Begin acting like a CEO while still employed. That means tracking revenue goals, building systems, creating standard operating procedures, measuring acquisition costs, and understanding margins. Entrepreneurship is less about freedom and more about responsibility. If you cannot manage a side hustle professionally, you will struggle to manage a full business. Number 7, know the real signals. It's time to leave. Do not leave because you are frustrated. Leave because your side business income is covering 50 to 75% of your expenses consistently. Demand exceeds your available time. You have predictable revenue. You have savings. You have clear next quarter goals, and your strategy is sustainable. Number 8, Prepare for the identity shift. This is rarely discussed. When you leave employment, your social status may change, your routine changes, your structure disappears, your safety net shrinks. Entrepreneurship can feel isolating. Build a peer network, mentors, accountability, and daily structure. Freedom without discipline becomes chaos. Many successful founders go through a 3-stage transition. Stage 1, employee with an idea. Stage 2, employee with revenue. Stage 3, entrepreneur with runway. The middle stage can last 6 to 24 months. This is where real entrepreneurs are built. If you take nothing else from this video, remember, do not romanticize quitting your job. Instead, master your current role, extract knowledge, build proof, build savings, build skill, build structure, then leave strategically. Entrepreneurship is not an escape plan. It is a responsibility upgrade. If you are serious about transitioning successfully, check the description below for our recommended courses on entrepreneurship fundamentals, leadership and management, financial literacy, business communication, and sales and negotiation skills. These courses will help you develop the professional foundation needed before you take the leap. If you found value in this video, like this video. Share it with someone who is thinking about starting a business. Subscribe to Business Training Media for practical professional growth strategies. And watch the next video on your screen to continue building the skills that move your career and your income forward. We'll see you there.